Refreshing iced orange coffee recipe, perfect summer drink. Hey there, coffee lovers. Today, I've got a special treat for you. A refreshing iced orange coffee recipe that's perfect for those sunny summer days. Trust me, once you try this, it'll become your new favorite go-to beverage. So let's dive right in. Ingredients. 1 cup of freshly brewed coffee, chilled. 1/2 cup of orange juice, freshly squeezed if possible. 2 tablespoons of honey, adjust according to your sweetness preference. Ice cubes. Orange slices and mint leaves for garnish, optional. Instructions. Step 1. Pour the chilled coffee into a mixing glass. Step 2. Add in the freshly squeezed orange juice. Step 3. Drizzle in the honey. Step 4. Give it a good stir until everything is well combined. Step 5. Fill a glass with ice cubes. Step 6. Pour the coffee and orange mixture over the ice. Step 7. Garnish with a slice of orange and a sprig of fresh mint for that extra pop of flavor and color. And there you have it, your very own iced orange coffee ready to enjoy. Just look at how refreshing and inviting that looks. It's the perfect blend of rich coffee flavor with a hint of citrusy sweetness. Whether you're lounging by the pool or hosting a backyard barbecue, this drink is sure to impress. So go ahead, give it a try, and let me know what you think in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes like this one. Until next time, happy sipping.
Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.